Hi, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
How are you?
I'm over the moon, and what about you?
I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. So, what's your good name?
My name is Avikya Yadav, and what's your name?
Yes, my name is Mamta. So, could you please tell me something about yourself?
Okay. My name is Avikya Yadav, and I'm studying in class third, and I'm 7 years old, and I am from Gwalior, but I'm currently living in Sagar. And if we talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are doing skipping, art and craft, and practicing English in my free time. And this is pretty much about me. And can you, may I know about yourself because we are meeting for the first time?
Yes, of course. And before that, I would like to say that good to know about you.
Okay.
So, as you know, my name is Mamta and I am from Lucknow. I am a mother of one kid. And if I talk about my qualification, I have completed master's and B.Ed. And my hobbies are reading, writing, playing badminton, go for a walk. So thank you. You are studying in a class third, right? Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, so as you mentioned that you are studying in a class third, right?
Yes.
Okay. So could you please tell me which subject do you like the most?
Most I like SST.
SST. Why? What is the reason?
Because I like to learn about solar system plants and many other things that um, are in natures, and I like that those green grass and some beautiful colorful flowers and the rainbow, the sky, and I also like the shining moon, and I really want to know about space, so many things, kind of things. Like there are 8 planets in the solar system. The biggest planet is Jupiter, and the coldest planet is Uranus.
Wow, you are so intelligent, I must say. And that's wonderful. I hope you are enjoying school and learning lots of new things. Right? And who is your
Yes.
favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Sam ma'am.
Okay, that's great. Well, what she teaches you, like which subject?
She is my class teacher, and
Okay.
she teach me maths, science and math, science and SST and English too.
Oh, that's wonderful. And who is your best friend?
My best friend name is Garima.
Garima. Oh, wow. So, where she lives?
She is little bit far from my place. She is little bit far from my place, and sometimes I go with the scooter, and sometimes I go while walking because it's not too far.
That's so sweet. Having a good friend makes school even more fun, right? And what do you like to play?
Yes. Mm, I like to play hide and seek, and I like to play hide and seek and football and many other kind of things.
That's great. And that sounds like so much fun. Playing games is a great way to stay active and happy, right? So, do you have any siblings?
Yes, right.
How many siblings?
Yeah, I have one sibling.
Okay, so he's your brother or she's sister?
He is my brother.
Brother, younger or elder?
Younger.
Younger brother. Okay. So, do you play with your brother or not?
Yes. Yes, I play with my little brother like hide and seek. His favorite game is hide and seek too. We both play hide and seek.
Okay. So what makes you happy?
Mm, Playing with my brother and my friends make me very happy, and spending time with my family.
That's great. Wonderful answers. And what is your favorite food? Do you like pizza
Mm,
or burger?
I don't eat pizza or burger. Sometimes I say to my father, mm, I want to eat pizza, so he don't give me. So I, mm, I said okay, and I nowadays I don't eat pizza. If we talk about my healthy food, so in my healthy food I eat cauliflower parathe and what will got? I mean, mm, what? Yeah, what will got?
So do you watch cartoons and which cartoon is your favorite?
My favorite cartoon is Ben and Hurry.
Why?
Mm, because I like magical things, stories, and I also listen magical stories with my mother. And I like to listen English cartoons and watch English cartoons. And I also like the big trees and the little kingdom.
That's wonderful. And you know, when I was your age, I also loved watching cartoons. Like one of my favorite cartoons we was The Jungle Book. But things were quite different back then because we couldn't watch cartoons whenever we wanted because there was neither the internet nor cable TV, right? So cartoons were usually aired only on Sundays. That's it. So we should wait eagerly for the weekend. That made watching cartoons even more exciting and special for us. But yeah, now things have changed a lot. You can watch your favorite cartoons, favorite program anytime, right? So I must say that you are
Yes.
very lucky. Okay, so do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I have a bucket of questions.
Okay, please
Uh,
ask.
who inspired you to speaking English?
Who inspired me to speak in English? Actually, my son. He is very fluent in English. And when I see him to speak in English, I always trying to connect with him in English. But yeah, because he's grown up now, so sometimes he feels shy, like no, mama, please don't talk to me in English. Like I am very comfortable to talk to you in Hindi. So that's why. Otherwise, he's very fluent. And I feel very grateful that he is around me. He always correct me. He always motivated me. So yeah, he always inspired me.
And what is your favorite color? I like to know.
Okay, my favorite color, actually, I love all the colors. But if I talk about specific one color, so yeah, I like baby pink, like you are wearing right now. So I love the color of your
Yes,
t-shirt. Yes. So yeah, and what about you? Which color is your favorite?
my favorite color is purple.
Purple. Okay. Wow, that's great. So, what do you do
And
in your spare time?
in my spare time, I some I do I practice English, and sometimes I watch television or practice dancing and singing
Okay, so how do you practice your English speaking? Like with whom?
with my mother sometimes or my little brother.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so which festival do you like the most?
Mm, mm, the most festival I like is Holi
Holi. Why?
because I put in And the another Holi, I put a bucket of colored water on my friend when she was talking to her friend. It was so fun.
Okay, so now maybe your school is going on, right? Or not?
Yes, my school is going on.
Okay, so which time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7:40. I mean
7:30. And when you come at home from
I
school?
come. I I come home at 1 a.m. 1 o'clock. Yeah, 1:30.
What kind of activity do you do?
At home, I practice dancing and I also practice speaking English sometimes and also play with my little brother.
So why are you learning this language? Like why are you that much passionate about English?
Mm, I'm passionate about English because I connect with so many people and this is my 10th 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 conversation and also I mean I also mm, uh, and I also sometimes my mother also speak English with me and she also ask me some questions in English. If I don't know how to speak English, so how can I converse it with others and how can I teach my little brother because he is so tiny and he is curious to learn about English.
Oh, that's great. Wonderful answer. Okay. So do you enjoy doing homework?
Yes, I enjoy very much doing my homework.
Okay. And who helps you with your homework at home?
Mm, my mother.
Yeah, mother. Okay. And which school activity do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy the most art and craft.
Art and craft. So do you like art and craft? Like, do you like it?
Yes, I like very much art and craft because I have painted a beautiful unicorn that is stick on the wall.
That's great. Amazing. Okay, so do you like going to school every day, or sometimes do you feel like, no, today I don't want to go to school?
No, sometimes, some no, I never feel like this. So when I came in third class, so I really cried. I don't want to go to school, but my mother sent me to the school, and and after coming home, I then and another day I also started crying, but nowadays I like going to school and it's so fun.
Okay, that's great. So do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling most, and I have traveled to Bhopal, and Rajasthan, and Rajasthan and Pink City too.
Okay, so which one is your favorite place?
Mm, favorite place is Kerala.
Kerala. So have you been there yet?
No.
Okay, so do you like to listen bedtime stories?
Yes, I like to listen bedtime stories with my mother and my father. He only tell me 3 or 2 stories.
Oh, that's wonderful. So who makes you laugh the most at home?
My little brother
How he make you laugh?
because he sometimes fall down on the bed and he started laughing. And when I mean, when he wake up in the morning, he always when I sleep, I am in deep sleepy. So he woke up and tapped my face, and then I woke up.
That's great. And
He's naughty and very funny too.
what is your favorite indoor game? Yes.
My favorite indoor game is hide and seek, and I want to ask you one question.
Yes,
May I
please.
ask?
Yes, please.
Okay. You want to go out of India somewhere? Please tell
Yes.
me the.
Yes, definitely. I would like to go. Switzerland is my favorite place, and Switzerland is, in my bucket list. So definitely in future, I would like to go there because I heard a lot of thing about Switzerland, and it is my, you can say, like childhood dream to go there. So yeah, definitely I will go there. And what about you? Which place do you want to go?
I really like. I really like to go Egypt and South Korea.
Okay, so any specific reason behind it? Why uh, have you chosen these two places?
Mm, I have to South Korea because I like their cute dress and they are so white and um, I I also watch BTS movie and many other kind of shows and really want to visit there when they where they live.
Okay. Okay, tell me one thing. If you had a whole day to yourself, then what would you do?
Mm, I will. Sorry, I can't hear you. Can you please repeat?
Yes, if you had a whole day to yourself only, so what would you do?
Mm, sometimes um I will uh, uh I will do sometimes art and craft mm, and I will and mm, I like to do activities, new activities, and if my mother make one activity for me, so I will complete that activity and study sometimes. And after that, I watch television 1 hour only. Then, um,
Oh,
uh,
great. That's great. And if you could have one superpower, what would it be?
it would be ice.
Sorry, ice?
Yes.
So what will you do with ice?
Mm, with the ice, I will make snowfall and because I really want to see the snowfall because I like to play with snow and I will also make one snow funny face snowman and after that um, after that I will make a beautiful ice castle that will never melt. But in the summer season, yeah.
Okay, that's great. And if you could meet your favorite cartoon character, so who would it be? If you get a
It
chance to
would
meet
be
your favorite cartoon character, so who would it be?
it would be Ben and Holly.
Belle and Holly. Okay, that's great. And if you could become any animal for a day, so which one would you choose?
I will choose rabbit because its fur is so soft and I like soft things and I have also a soft bedroom and that have a AC too.
Oh, how sweet. Okay. So can you help your mother in the kitchen? Like, do you help?
Yes, I have sometimes.
Okay. And what's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is pastry and ice cream because I like the sweet things and pastry tastes so good. If you talk about the flavor, so in the flavor, I like to taste chocolate flavor because it is sweet mm, and I like the taste of the chocolate flavor and the pastry decoration.
And which fruit do you like the most?
The fruit that I like the most is apple and mango
Okay, that's great.
because the mango is so sweet and I also eat the mango and I also like the apple because it is also sweet like the mango and one day I have make a salad of apple and mango and banana too.
Oh, that's great. Really? Okay. Actually, my son also, he loves to eat mango and apple. So yeah, I think most of the children loves mangoes and apple, banana. So how do you celebrate your birthday?
I celebrate my birthday with the decoration and go to the temple and I also go to uh, somewhere else and I also like to play with the balloons and in the balloons pond because my father and my mother blow so many balloons and I make that balloon pond.
And what gift have you received that you liked the most
The
on your
most is
birthday?
uh, the most is this doggy.
Oh, so cute. It is so cute. Okay. From whom?
My best friend Garima.
Okay, that's nice. Very nice. Yeah, it's so cute. So, are you afraid of anything?
No, I really don't.
No. And what is the funniest thing you have ever done?
Mm, I have nothing done the funniest thing.
Okay. If you could change one thing in the world, so what would you change? What would you like to change?
I would like to change the nature because the leaves are dying and the trees are cutting. That's why I will make them all green and green.
Yes, because nowadays we are suffering from, intense heat. So it is very prominent to, plant trees and make greeneries surrounding us. Yeah. What does kindness mean to you? What is kindness?
Sorry, I can't.
What does,
Kindness is,
yes,
yeah,
please tell.
repeat.
Yes, please tell. What does kindness mean to you?
The kindness mean to be uh, mm, kindness and beauty from God.
Wonderful answer. Clap for you. And what makes someone a good friend? I mean to say that which thing that you like most in a good friend?
I like the most respect and pray properly and obey the rules.
Okay. And what do you do when someone, feels sad? Like you don't like that thing. So
Mm,
at that moment, what do you do? If someone hurting you,
try to make happy.
very good answer. You are so intelligent, and I like your answers, the way you are speaking, the way you are, answering all the questions. I like it. So, do you have something to ask me? So you can.
No, I have not, I have, I have really not prepared, but I have asked these questions. Um, if there is
Mm-hmm.
something left that I have, don't ask to other teachers.
Mm-hmm. Okay, tell me the last question, answer actually. What have you learned from your parents?
I have learned kindness from my parents and respect.
Okay. And how many members in your family?
There are 4 members in my family.
That's great. Okay, so I think we have to close this session. And it was such a pleasure talking to you today. You answered all the questions so confidently, and I really enjoyed our conversation. So, thank you so much for joining me. I wish you all the happiness and success in the future. So, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep shining.
Have a nice day.
Yes. Same here. Take care and bye bye.